Welcome to the Qvesys Bill landing page, a professional billing software solution. You can explore various core capabilities such as lightning-fast invoicing, real-time analytics, and mobile-friendly management. To access your account, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Login button. The Login panel will appear, prompting you to sign into your account. Enter your username into the designated username field. Next, carefully type your secure password into the password field. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Continue button to proceed. For enhanced security, a Verify Your Identity screen will appear, requiring a one-time password. Check your email for the OTP and enter the 6-digit code into the one-time password field. Finally, click on the Verify and Sign In button to securely access your billing dashboard. Welcome to the Qvesys Bill software dashboard. On the left, we have a comprehensive menu strip for various business operations. Within the Invoices menu, you can manage sales invoice retail, inclusive of tax, purchase invoices, and other invoices. Next is the Returns section, which includes subsections for client returns and purchase returns. In the Products section, you have the option to add new products to your inventory. Under the Employees section, you can add new employees and view the existing employee list. The Doctors section allows you to perform operations such as add doctors and view doctors. In the Patients section, you can access the prescription pad and view detailed patient records. Navigate to the Clients section to add new clients or view your current client database. The Reports section offers comprehensive insights, including day reports, sales invoice reports, and purchase invoice reports. It also features other invoice reports, product-wise purchase, and sales reports. Furthermore, you can generate client transaction reports and supplier transaction reports for detailed tracking. In the Payments section, you can manage payment billing transactions and access the payment mode editor. Finally, the Suppliers section provides options to add new suppliers and view your supplier list. From the Qvesys Bill software dashboard, navigate to the side menu strip and select the Products section. Within the Products section, click on Add Products to open the Add New Product page. In this page, the product ID is automatically generated by the system. Start by entering the product name, generic name, batch number, pack, and pack info. Next, enter the HSN number, GST percentage, and the maximum retail price. Set the expiry date, opening stock, and current stock levels. Enter the sales price, ensuring it is not greater than the MRP. Complete the primary section by selecting the product category and entering the brand name. Click on Show More Fields to enter additional details for better tracking. Here, you can specify the drug type, date, barcode number, manufacturer, and manufacture date. Enter the purchase price, followed by sales price 2 must be less than sales price, and sales price 3 must be less than sales price 2. You can also add rewarding points, remarks, rack number, and upload a product image. Finally, verify the total purchase quantity and total sales quantity before proceeding. Once all details are filled, click Save Products to successfully add the new product to your list. You can verify the inserted product by clicking the View List button or navigating to the Product Report page. In the Product Report, enter the product ID, name, or generic name and set the records per page and order by preferences. Click Apply Filters to display the specific product in the table below. Use the column Visibility settings to select the specific data columns you wish to view in the table. From the Qvesys Bill software dashboard, navigate to the side menu strip and select the Suppliers section. Within the Suppliers section, click on Add Supplier to start adding a new supplier. In the Add Supplier page, the supplier ID is automatically generated by the system. You only need to provide the other basic information such as supplier company name, supplier name, phone, and email. Next, enter the tax information. including GST-IN and PAN, along with other private details. Provide the address information, including address, country, state, district, state code, PIN code, and city. Enter the company's license details, such as company DL number 1 and company DL number 2. In the shipping address section, if it's the same as the billing address, you can simply click Same as billing address. Otherwise, enter the remaining address details. After entering all details, click the Save button to successfully save the new supplier's data. To view the new supplier data, you can click the View List button at the bottom of the page or navigate to Supplier List under the Supplier menu in the header. On the Supplier List page, enter the supplier ID and supplier name, set the records per page, and click the Apply Filters button. The filtered data will be displayed in the table below. You can also select which columns you wish to be visible in the table. You can now view all the data details and current status within the table. From the Qvesys Bill software dashboard, navigate to the menu strip located on the left side. Click on the Invoice menu, and from the drop-down, select the Purchase Invoice section. The Purchase Invoice page will now open. You will notice that the process number is generated automatically by the system. Now, enter the primary details: purchase invoice number, supplier ID, supplier name, reference, and address. Continue by filling in the date, contact number, GST number, S-type, and email ID. Next, move to the table below to enter the purchase details for your items. For each product, provide the product name, P name, batch number, BNO, expiry date, EXP, quantity, tax, and rate. Also, include the FR, discount, pack, and amount. The action column allows you to manage these entries. Repeat these steps for all the products you have purchased. Once all products are added, go below the table to select the discount mode and enter the corresponding value in the discount field. If there are any additional charges, you may enter them here. Now, enter the paid amount. To view or manage detailed payment features, click on Additional Payment Info. In this section, the total amount is displayed automatically. You need to enter the paid amount and the tender amount. The system will automatically subtract the paid amount from the tender amount to calculate and show the balance amount. Select your cash mode. For example, cash, UPI, or online banking. After reviewing all details, click Submit and then Save. Your purchase invoice data is now securely stored. To view your records, navigate to the Purchase Invoice Report page. Set your search criteria using filters like from date to date, records per page, invoice number, supplier, ID, SID, and supplier name. Click the Apply Filters button to display the data in the table below. You can also use the Visible Columns feature to select exactly which details you want to see in your data table. Welcome to the Qvesys Bill software dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will find the main menu strip. To begin, navigate to the Invoices section and select Sales Invoice Retail, Include Tax. This will open the Sales Invoice Retail page. Once the page loads, you will notice that the invoice number is automatically generated. Now, proceed to enter the client's details: the client name, doctor name, address, date, and email ID. Scrolling down, you will reach the data table where you enter the product information. You need to provide the product name, P name, batch number, BNO, expiry date, EXP, quantity, QTY, tax rate, and rack number. Please note that the amount will be calculated automatically by the system. You also have actions available to edit or delete any entry in the table. Next, move to the Payment Details and Save section. Under discount mode, you can choose to apply a discount either as a fixed amount or a percentage. Once you enter the discount value, the software automatically calculates and displays the final amount. The same applies to additional charges. If there is an added cost, simply enter the value and the system will update the total. Now select your cash mode. You can choose single or multiple. Single mode, payment is made in full via one method, such as cash, UPI, or an online transaction. Multiple mode, this allows for split payments, such as paying a partial amount in cash and the remaining balance via UPI. You can enter the cashier name if required, and then move to the Save options. There are several ways to save your work. If you click the temporary save button, the data will be held in a waiting status next to the Temp Bills tab at the top. This allows you to process another bill in the meantime. When you are ready, simply click the temporary bill to reload all the data. Clicking Save automatically stores the data and starts printing. The button performs both save and print actions together. We also have a Print Without Save button. If you use this, the data will not be stored permanently or temporarily in the database. It simply generates a physical bill for immediate printing. For an existing client, the system offers a credit facility. You can mark the bill as full paid, or the client can pay a partial amount now and settle the balance amount later. After entering these details, clicking Save Without Print will store the invoice securely in the database without generating a printout. Now, let's look at the sales invoice report. Go to the header menu at the top and click on the report menu to see the available report sections. Select Sales Invoice Report. To find specific data, you can use filters such as From Date to Date, Records per Page, Invoice Number, CID, Client ID, and Client Name. After entering your criteria, click the Apply Filters button and the results will appear in the table below. Finally, in the Actions column, you have two options. Print, to generate a hard copy of the bill. View, to open and review the full details of the invoice. You can customize your view using visible columns. If you want to see the payment mode, doctor name, or issue date, simply select them and they will appear in the data table. That concludes the explanation for the sales invoice, retail, and report sections. In the Qvesys bill software, there is a menu strip located on the left side of the dashboard. Within this menu strip, you will find the Reports section. Clicking on Day Report within the Reports section will open the dedicated Day Report page. On this page, you can select the From Date to Date and the Payment mode. You also have the option to select either consolidated or summarized views. After making your selections, click the Search button to display the relevant details in the data table below. The data table will show several columns, including date, number, ID, name, transaction mode, cash credit, online credit, total credit, debit, and balance. Furthermore, if you select cash as the payment mode at the top and click Search, only the transactions related to cash will be displayed. Similarly, selecting UPI and searching will filter the table to show only UPI-related data. At the top right corner, you will find buttons for Print, Excel, PDF, and Columns. By clicking the Columns button, you can customize the data table by selecting which specific columns you wish to view. Clicking the Print button will allow you to print the day report directly. If you select the Excel option, the report will be downloaded as a file in Excel format.